Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry with Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. There is a small update in the Covishield vaccination regarding to Covishield vaccines, which is normally developed by Serum Institute of India along with AstraZeneca and Oxford University. So this is the Covishield vaccines, which already I have a video on this Covishield, little about the Covishield vaccines, which is normally a recombinant vaccines where virus vectored vaccines where chimpanzee virus adenovirus has been used for vaccine preparations, and this vaccine is normally for the people who is 18 years of age and older age. So this vaccines was developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca, and then it has been given to the Pune-based Serum Institute of India for the manufacturing in the India or Indian regions. Other than Serum Institute of India, there are a number of other plants are also there where this is going to be manufactured. So this is the leaflets or inserts, normally they are calling it, which normally it is going to be given into the vaccine vials along with the vials. So if you see this portion of the vaccines, there already they have told that Covishield's vaccinations course consists of two separate doses of 0.5 ml each, and the second dose should be administered between 4 to 6 weeks after the first dose. So normally we are going to call that it should be after 28 days, or maximum it can go up to the 6 weeks. And last line is written there. However, there is a data available for administration of the second dose that can be given up to 12 weeks apart. For that one, they have support. This is supported with the data. And now, so the second dose should be administered between 4 to 6 weeks apart, and there is a data for the 12 week apart. So this was the previously it has been told. Now yesterday National Technical Advisory Committee for Immunizations NTAGI along with the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19, they have come with some updates. And what is the update? They have revised the dosing gap between the two doses. Means normally in previously if you see we used to have taking two doses. So dose 1 that will be counting at day 0, and second dose should be after 28 days, or commonly it will 4 to 6 weeks apart. Now what they have changed it, so as according to current revised versions, dose 1 should be counted as 0, and then second dose can be taken up to 6 to 8 weeks apart, not 4 to 6 weeks, not up to 28 days, it can be go up to 8 weeks, that will be roughly 1.5 months almost, but not more than 8 weeks. So between 6 to 8 week vaccinations should second dose has to be taken. Now this revised schedules has been applicable only for the Covishield, not for the Covaxins. Covishield, which is manufactured by Serum Institute of India, so only it is applicable for Covishield, not for the Covaxins. Now because as currently second round of vaccination schedule is going on, in the first round all the healthcare or the privileged groups have got the vaccines. In the second round normally all the persons people who is more than 60 years of age or the between 45 to 59 along with comorbidity, they are going to be vaccinated. So in between middle of the round 2 vaccination, central government has directed to the state government and territories that second dose should be given between 4 to 6 to 8 weeks apart. And the justification for that one is they said that it has been appeared that the protection was enhanced if the second dose will be given 6 to 8 weeks. So if you will take vaccine second dose between 6 to 8 weeks, the efficacy or the protections or the antibody production rates will be little bit faster than earlier. But it should not go later than the 8 week. So this is the update. So now it should be applicable. It should be maintained for all the state governments. So this is all about for today. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.